Without this feature, ChatGPT would be way more stupid. In fact, function calling is one of the key features that power your AI chatbot and make them more truthful. In fact, a large language model tries to predict the most probable sequence of text. This means that if you're looking for accurate information, your AI chatbot might not be the best person to ask. In order to curb these problems that are called hallucination, we introduced something that was called function calling. Function calling is a system that allows the large language model to determine, based on the intention of the user, whether it needs to ask an external service in order to provide a response. This means that, for example, if you're asking a question about recent news, ChatGPT might not have seen the information during its training. Therefore, in order to provide an accurate response, it will try to ask an external browser to find the information about the latest news and then give back the response to the large language model that will generate the answer for the user. This means that using function calling allows to empower the AI chatbot with new features that were not meant to work with the large language model at first. In fact, you could equip your AI agent with a web browser to do the web search that I was mentioning earlier, but also to edit a file, or maybe to do another kind of request that you might have in mind. These function calling are really useful because they increase the accuracy of the models, but also they allow to save some tokens and some computational power in order to generate the response and avoid hallucinations.